You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Tell my baddie I get what I want like. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Tell my baddie I get what I want like. Now let's keep it a beam. Wanna be mad at me? Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it.
Good morning. What's up, my baddies and buddies? It's thetierrab checking in for another video. Back on your screen with another video. I just want to start off by saying happy St. Patrick's Day. Y'all, what y'all doing today? I actually took off work just to have a little me time, a little self-care time, if you will. So I woke up this morning, got my baby ready for school, sent her off, took a shower. I sent her off, took my nails off, took a shower, and here we are. So I'm about to go get my nails did. I'm thinking like a plain, basic, black or white. No, scratch that. A plain white or like French tip set. You know, something slight. And then we might get something to eat, and then we supposed to go to the gun range, y'all. Oh, and I hope I can change my nose ring too now since I got my nails off. But yeah, we just gonna do a little small get ready with me. I put my lashes on off camera already before I even got in the shower, y'all, because you know, if you know, you know, them lashes will ruin your day, like seriously. But before we get into this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a brand new video. And just like that, girl, let's get into it. All right, y'all, so it's St. Patrick's Day. I want to wear green, but I don't know what I want to wear. Like, I got this green bomber jacket, but if you know, you know, it be getting hot in the nail salon, and I really don't want to put that on. I'm trying to get in the little holiday spirit. Like, what you peeping at? Like I was saying before I was really interrupted, it's St. Patrick's Day. I wanted to put on something green to be in the spirit, but it looks like I don't have nothing green for real besides like dresses and this warmer jacket. And it's too hot. It be getting hot in the nail salon. Like, it's already boring enough in your nails. I'm not trying to be hot too. And y'all, if anybody try to pinch me, just know you'll be better off trying your mama. Like, don't play with me. But I don't think nobody really do that though. I think there's just like a school thing. I don't know. Comment down below. Do y'all pinch people because they don't have on green? Yo, what am I to wear? Let's get this together.
I testify for you. I do that 3-4 times a can I testify for you. I thought I like you, that bitch I do it. All that I'm around, you scared to do. I'm not. Long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. My bitch skin, do it. I joke bodies. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. Yeah. In the drop top ride with you, I feel like Scarface. That wave it with the bob, I be your main one. This this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic.
Alright, y'all, how is it looking? I think I'm finna change my nose ring, y'all. I'm about to attempt. Please, Lord, please don't let my nose ring close while I'm doing this, because that mug is tight. But I did my hair last night, y'all. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Okay, so let's get the change in this nose ring. Let's try to do it real quick, y'all. I pray it doesn't close. This is just the nose ring I got for now. Y'all, I got it halfway out. Real quick, real quick. Shit. We got it in. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my god. Period. Y'all, it's like it has a little ball at the end. I pray it don't slip out. But I think what I'm about to do is I'm about to go find me one of those little clear earring bags and put it on here, because like, baby, I didn't go through all those months just for you to come out. So BRB. Period. Y'all, I got the clamp on. Like, that's gross, but I got a clear hook on it, so I hope it don't come off. But let me go, because it's already about to be 12 o'clock. Hopefully it don't take long. If they got a long wait, y'all, I'm gonna probably just leave and we're gonna go into the gun range. Alright, we made it out the house, so let me do my little check-in. I put on my leather jacket because it's cold. I just have on this black bodysuit. Alright, first, these shoes, so let's go. Y'all, I am in love with my ponytail. I'm so glad I decided to do it. It's raining. So I forgot it's raining. Jayla is about to throw me an umbrella. Woo, we finally made it to the car, y'all. I had to let Jalen throw me the umbrella down because I literally forgot it was raining. But it's currently 11:29. I'm about to hurry up and go because, like I said, we want to catch the gun range before my baby gets out of school. So, buckle up. Buckle your up. Y'all, I feel like I look so pretty. I am so glad that I decided to whip on this ponytail last night. But, girl, let's go get these nails done. So I don't think I'm gonna record the whole nail process because honestly I'm ready to go and I haven't even got there. So I'm gonna just probably show y'all a before and after, and we're gonna kick it off like that. So I will see you guys later. Here is before. This is after. I just have some clean white short nails, you know, keeping it classy or whatever. Plus I was kind of tired of my lengthy nails. But so I'm about to go scoop up Jalen, and I don't know if we're gonna go eat first or go to the gun range first, but I am kind of hungry, so maybe we need to go eat first. But let's go. Yeah, I forgot to tell y'all, the man in the nail salon asked that I model. He saw my wallpaper. Show y'all. Like, no sir, I don't model. I'm a content creator, even though modeling was like my dream career, you know. But you might as well say, because like, you know, once you blow up you get modeling contracts, you model on Instagram, etc, etc. So I guess it's the same thing. So I guess I should have just said yeah, like yeah, and what, even if I just claim it and you know I'm not, so you'll never know. But yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet, girl, what you doing? Subscribe. Boy, what you doing? Subscribe. And leave me some comments. Like, don't just be watching me like the man in the white bean. Come on now, leave some comments. And what was y'all doing today? Like, what y'all St. Patrick's Day consist of? Work? Yeah, I know, but that's why I took off.
She got a flight, nigga can't even see me. I'm way out of here up to fly the sky. Heard me, it's ash ready to turn my ash. Bitch so pretty, look better than cancer. Popping on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and not gassing. Came out the gutter, they never meet a swagger. Security bag, got a bitch, I'm a bag. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Parking 2 million in the middle of my hood. Drinking the mud I made out of the sewer. My heart is sensitive, whatever, I'm good. A lot of these niggas, they look.
Alright y'all, so as y'all can see, we've been to the gun store. We got our ammo and also a little snack. So now we're about to head to the gun range, and I will see you guys when we get there.
Niggas insane, they copy my lingo, they bite on my chain. Championship, I just go after shit, bitch, breaking into the look at the kid. Dirty the fountain, but make it in Canada, bro, get this money like it's my religion. It could be a mad, they a sad, they vanity, nigga, they try to compare whatever I did. Them that touched 100 digits off the gig, they came out the jungle, they kidnapped the kids. I trap out of bandos, been till on the crib. I look at the ocean, the spot 30 years. Depending where I'm at, the city I'm in. I keep me no fully, nobody want me in. I have touch her ass, she gon' think she Korean. You fucking me good, bitch, you helping me win. Niggas can't see me, ain't no competition. Too many breaks, you know, I know the real. I'm never sober, I'm thinking my quit. I'm about to eat like a fool with a kid. She caught a flight, nigga, can't even see me. I'm way out of here, I'm too far in the sky. Heard me, this ash right the top of my ash. Bitch so pretty, little better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I gas. Came out the gutter, they never made a swagger. Secure the bag, got a bitch, I'm a bagger. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Parker 2 million in the middle of my hood. Drinking the mud I made out of the sewer. Chrome right accessories, whatever, I'm good. Out of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they bite on my chain. Championship, I just go after shit, bitch, breaking into the look at the kid. That bitch, I'm begging. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Parker 2 million in the middle of my hood. Drinking the mud I made out of the sewer. Chrome heart accessories, whatever, I'm good. A lot of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they bite on my chain. Championship, I just go after shit, bitch, breaking into the look at the kid.
That was real right there.
I take a pistol, you got 30 rounds. Pull up to your mama house and put some rounds. Wait a nigga, watch them niggas try. 100 round drum, get a nigga down. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. Take a nigga bitch, I use the bitch, cause I ran off with your shit. I'm a real right blood, any nigga kinda fit. You on the air, push it while you get it. I bought a random drop and then I pour me up some drops. I'm so real street nigga, y'all ain't on no block. Keep your black, that's all I want. Full of it, y'all know how the cops do. Bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds. Pull a bitch from my house and put some rounds.
So the gun range was definitely fun. Of course, my boyfriend always want to make something out of
fasten driver seat belt.
Okay, Siri. Of course, my boyfriend always want to make something out of a competition, but in the end, I literally won because you kept hitting blank spots. So I won since you always want to make it a competition. You don't think I won? Huh? You don't think I won? Anyways, you guys, we finna go pick up Nava. She don't get out of school till 5, but it's 3:08 and we finna go eat, so we don't want time to catch up with us. So I guess we'll go and pick her up, or should we not? Cause there's a whole extra 2 hours that I gotta deal with. Somebody trying to be like me, somebody trying to follow my every footstep. But yeah, I will see you guys when we find out what we're gonna eat. Cheers. You just want to come get in the camera. Let's do cheers. They've eliminated that. People be looking weird when they see people record this shit. Mom. Yes. You want me to color? Ooh, this is so cute. Did I do this? Okay, let me help you.
Stop playing with them, right? You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Tell my baddie I get what I want, like. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Tell my baddie I get what I want, like. Now let's keep it a beam. Wanna be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, but it's not what it's seen. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. When niggas that's toting the beam. Saying you love me, but what do you mean? Pretty ass me like that on me. Better speak about you shitting me. If you ain't a baddie, can't sit with me. I swear that these my mini-me's. He wanna sex, niggas be dreaming. I'm from the X, niggas be scheming. I'm on their next.
Thank you for our blessings. Thank you for our blessings. Amen.
He's not breathing. I'm in a check, bloating demons. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Tell my baddie I get what I want, like. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Tell my baddie I get what I want, like. Tell my baddie I get what I please. You know my body, I do it with ease. You want my body, he telling me please. I'm walking past me, sniffing my breeze. He jacking me, but he not my boo. He like the jewelry I wear on my boobs. How can I link you when I got a shoe? Don't want your love, I just want the blue. Grabbing my ass while I'm doing my dance. She keep on staring cause shorty a fan. Gotta stick to the plan. He mad as f***, I won't give him a chance. But still he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. But still he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Tell my baddie I get what I want, like. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Tell my baddie I get what I want, like. Tell my baddie I get what I want, like. Not breathing, I'm in a check, bloating demons. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch.
Alright y'all, so we're finally home. It's so cool. I'm probably about to unwind, start editing this video and just relax. Cause I literally have been on go since my feet hit the ground this morning. So make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe, and I will probably see you guys tomorrow. What's up y'all, it's the next day, so I decided to get up, put on us some clothes, and we just filmed like a little McDonald's mukbang where I asked neighbors some questions. And I don't know if I'm gonna drop this one first or that video, but just in case, if this one comes first, make sure y'all be on the lookout for that one. Or if that one is already uploaded, go watch it because you don't want to miss it. It's very cute, very fun. Y'all know how we do. If you know, you know. And Ava's still over here eating. Let me show y'all.
Hey guys.
Oops. Go watch my Q&A.
Go watch my Q&A.
that was her little pop-up or whatever. But yeah, y'all, so it's currently like 1 o'clock. So we did this kind of early because we literally just been sitting around watching movies. She's been on her iPad. I'm just trying to see like what we gonna do for now. We may just chill. Let me see phone, because I had it on do not disturb while we was doing our video. Let me see if I had any important notifications. They probably like, what's she doing? Baby, I'm booked and busy. Literally. Ooh, it's 50 degrees out. I was finna say we can go to the park. I was finna say we can go to the park or something, but it's cold. No way. But yeah, y'all, so that's the mood for right now. Make sure y'all check that video out, or if this one's come first, make sure y'all be on the lookout for that one. And if you made it this far, we locked in. If we locked in, ain't no switching up.
Ain't no switching up.
But yeah, how's y'all Saturday? Did y'all have anything planned for today? What are y'all doing today?
2 hours later.
So y'all, your girl just popped in to let y'all know how productive I been. Like, in the midst of shooting this vlog, I recorded 2 extra videos. Not 1, but 2. Who you know? I'll wait. So make sure y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go up together.
Several hours later.
What's up, y'all? I just wanted to pop in and give y'all a little update. So it's been like 5 hours since we did the little mukbang video earlier, me and neighbor. So right now I am sitting here watching The Arrow. My boyfriend actually just got off work. He offered to go out to eat, but I'm like, he's tired, and of course I don't mind chilling at home. That's what y'all gotta get used to. Like, we don't have to always spend money, so just go get us some takeout. He's gonna go to this spot called Green Acres and get this chicken, y'all. When I say 5, I mean 5. When he get here, I'm gonna show y'all. Like, if you in Birmingham, Alabama, check it out. But yeah, we just sit here watching The Arrow, chilling. I'm gonna finish editing some videos, and I think that's gonna be that. Okay, y'all, so we just got done eating. The fish was too fresh. It was like literally freshwater fish, so I'm gonna get it like a 5 out of 10. If you like freshwater fish, then that's your go-to. But of course the wings were 10 out of 10. So right now I'm about to straight up the sink because Jalen is actually about to give me a lineup in the back of my head, y'all. I need it so bad. Hopefully he don't mess me up, but we shall see. Alright, do not mess up my head. I only need you to straighten out what's not in line. And don't have it too square for it look like a man in the bed, okay? Just shape up the odd pieces.
Let's go. Take. Let's go. Sit. Let's roll. Straighten. Yeah.
Why you going up? You supposed to go down.
I'm good.
No, you supposed to go down.
Bro, you gonna see when
you gonna go up too much.
No, I'm not seeing.
Take what? Ain't nothing but a look and straighten. Big kicking shit popping out there. On the island, it's a movie I'm making. I'm counting the narrows with Robert De Niro. He chilling them down.
He don't know. He supposed to go down. Yes, I go down. What the world?
Turn a pandemic into a pandemic, you know that's the shit that we on. Them niggas gon' pull up and let this shit is together, won't fuck with you home. I don't do the fake kicking. There go a rocket, it's taking. It's a problem with you, then we straighten it. Swap out the cap with a demon in it.
That's too cool. You better not been and messed it up.
I gave you a zigzag going across like 3
Zigzag.
Like 3 lines.
Baby, you'll be better off playing with me and Christine now. I can't see it.
Tell me why you're crying, I'm feeling busy. You gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were darling. Now you coming to my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm in love. If the world was dead, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, but why did you say
as y'all can see, we just took some pictures. We are now about to go eat. We have pulled up to Twin Peaks, so I will see you guys inside.
I will wait for you. I will wait for you. When you put the time on the rewind, help me understand when you tell me that why you made a war that we're fighting now. And you fall and you run, then you see my big man run around, run away, as a rebel one down. Then you fall, follow me, then you come right down, and then you go again.
Alright, y'all, so we are about to attempt to go live on YouTube. Let's see how it is. Let's see, can we get us some subscribers? Let's see, can we get some folks to join us? You ready to go live? Alright, so we're gonna take us a little thumbnail. Go live.
I don't know the limits. Going way beyond the noise and you feel things. When you speak, all I can hear is silence.
Alright, y'all, so live was okay. We'll probably have to try to do that when we get more subscribers, so YouTube can send it out to everybody and it can actually jump. But TikTok is kind of better in a way. Nowhere, I'm finna bake some cookies. TikTok is kind of better in a way because it actually send it to the For You page. You know, people can just swipe and see anybody live, whether they're following them or not. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to today's video. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a brand new video. And we'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.